All right, we got a good view of the train switching from main track 3 to main track number 2. We're at the Cajon summit, right at the top here. Right about milepost 56. That thing got beat up, worn down over the time it's been out here. I'm sure they replaced these a lot. Pretty cool. Okay, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. We know you like what you see. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when those videos come out. It's the best way you can support us.
BNSF dispatcher to Victor Railroad Patrol.
All right, that was a Westbound. Like I say, it was switching over from 3 to 2. We know you like what you see, so please subscribe to the channel. Give us that big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you're able to. You'll find the link in any description. Please help us out. We really need to keep going here strong, get better and better. All right, we have super thanks and super chats. So best thing you can do is subscribe. Love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.